Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. Today I want to show you a quick and easy technique to do some mirror stamping. I have created this card with one of the new online exclusive products that will be appearing in my online shop from the 5th of March. And as you can see, it's coffee based. So it actually comes as a full suite with a Little Latte 12x12 designer series paper. And then we've got Latte Love, the stamp set, and the coordinating dies. There's ribbon and embellishments too. So a whole lot of Latte Love going on here. So as I say, I really just want to focus on this technique. So I have already prepared another card. So this time I have used early espresso and I've got some very vanilla inside, and this designer series paper is Calypso Coral, and then we've got a mix of pecan pie and early espresso on that one. So this one was petal pink crumb cake, and I did add in some pecan pie as well. This so I've got to create some of the decorations. I've already gone ahead and just stamped the sentiment, so there are a few sentiments in here. I've used this one here. We've got hello, let's catch up, this one's on me, and thanks so much, which is a lovely little sentiment. Loads of dies, but I'm only going to be using two of them, the one for the cup and this one here. Now there is a stamp here that one will fit in, as will that one fit in. Okay, so let me first of all stamp the cup, mug, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to stamp that with pecan pie onto Calypso Coral. Okay, so I've got that on there like that, and that is ready to be die cut with this. Okay. Now I also need the coffee to go in there, so I have this piece here, and I'm going to stamp this to get die cut with that little circle. Okay, so that's going to go on and get die cut there, and I need this die and this stamp. Now I do need to do two of these. I can only cut one at once, obviously. There we go, I've got those. So I will get those die cut, and then I can come back and show you the reverse stamping so that you get the cup with the handle going the other way. So bear with me and I'll be back in a moment. Right, so I have this one die cut, and as I said, I cut the little bit of coffee to put in my mug as well, so I'll just add that just now. Just a tiny little bit glue on there and line that up. Okay, so that one's ready to go on, that can go on, and that can go on. We just need our second mug. And I've already die cut one from Pecan Pie card, okay? I need my silicone mat. Now you want this to be as clean as possible. So this side's cleaner. And you also want to avoid that corner with the Stampin' Up logo on it. Okay, now I'm going to bring this roughly in the middle, like so. Okay, now I forgot to clean my stamp. This time I'm going to stamp with Early Espresso. So I am inking this up just as normal, and I'm going to stamp it just down in the corner. Try and get it nice and straight like that. So you can now see that ink is on my silicone mat. And then to get the ink on the back of this, I'm going to place that over the top and hold on to it and just give it a good rub so that it picks that up. But I don't want it to move. Okay, that should be okay. Fingers crossed. And there we go. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. All right, so again, just put the same thing of coffee. That's not directional, so it's fine. Okay, pop that in there. Okay, so it was simply a case of gluing down the little sentiment and that little coffee art there, and then I can put this one down flat, and I'll pop the other one up with a dimensional or two. Put that there. Now I do have another video coming out fairly soon that will show you the suite in its entirety. I just really wanted to concentrate on the mirror stamping technique using silicone mat. It makes it just nice and easy, easier than taking the backings off dimensionals by the looks of it. And we'll pop that one on there like that. There are some gems in the embellishments really in the suite, and these are called adhesive backed swirl dots, so they do have a kind of swirly pattern on them. Okay, so I'm going to use one. Should have got my take your pick tool out. One there, and I'm not going to use the petal pink one because it kind of clashes with the calypso coral, so I'll stick with two of the brown ones, and one like that. So there we go, we have two cards using the mirrored stamping technique to get the second coffee cup with the handle on the other side. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button and come back to watch my next YouTube tutorial. And as I say, I will be sharing the entire suite with you very soon. Until then, please do take care. Bye bye.